Hello everyone. In this video or in this series on data science with Python, this is the second video and we will learn two things: what we are going to go and do going forward and what data sets we will use for Python. So what we plan to do, we will learn how to extract data, which is the bottom circle. Then we will learn how to organize the data. We will learn data analysis and modeling. And then finally data visualization using Python. And once we've visualized the data, we'll derive some insights, but this is going to be a two-way process. So whatever insights we derive will sort of start the next circle or iteration of maybe additional data extraction, organization, analysis, and modeling and visualization. We could miss some steps like, oh, we already have all the data and we've got it organized in the right way, but we might go back and tweak our model or change the visualization. So this is what we plan to do in this series. And then the last slide is data sets to use. So we will be using the Titanic data set or the chocolate bar ratings data set. So what does it mean? I was just going through Kaggle and I found a couple of data sets which we could use, and I thought these two data sets are pretty universal and everyone is aware of them. So we could probably use these to do data science related stuff using Python. And I will leave notes too. So I'll take you through a couple of web pages I've got open. And I'll leave the links to these in the video notes, so you can download these data sets and experiment as we go along. So first is the machine learning data set for the Titanic disaster. And if you want to read further, you can go here. And then I've got the chocolate bar ratings. So you can download the data set here for chocolate bars. So you can go and download the data. And then what I've got is one of the users who participated in the Titanic data set. I've just got some of the stuff they've done. So if you want to explore this, is a good way to learn is just by observing what other people have done. So all these links will be in the video notes, and I hope you find this video useful. Going forward, it will become really useful for you guys, and I'll keep these links in the video notes. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thank you.